doing? Chris, turn the boat.
I am turning. I was just turning on the GoPro.
Chris, look at the gazebo with a bunch of flowers. We should stop and get near you.
Look, there's a tiny bridge. Oh, shit. We're about to start bumping into shit.
Turn! Chris, turn! Turn!
Oh my god, that was insane. I almost took off my hat.
They're having a ceremony.
Any family members?
Come on, come on. You have to be shitting me right now.
Take a picture.
I am.
Chris, take a
I
picture.
am. Shut up. It's going. They just said family members dismissed by table to the buffet.
That's such a nice place to get married.
Hell
We need to
yeah.
Find where this is.
And then two f***ing hillbilly city boys come rowing through the middle of their pomp and circumstance. Holy shit, that is so
we need
funny.
to find where this is. This is
Hey,
nice.
dude, we literally just went through hell and came out to a wedding. Oh my god, that was so funny.